Welcome to Thena's channel. This is 56 Functional Kitchen Design Ideas, your ultimate guide to transforming your kitchen into a practical and stylish space. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just enjoy occasional cooking, these designs will inspire you to create a kitchen that works as hard as you do. Functional kitchens are all about combining efficiency with aesthetics. One of the key features you'll see in these designs is smart storage solutions. Think pull-out pantry shelves, built-in spice racks, and hidden compartments that maximize every inch of space. For example, a sleek, minimalist kitchen with under-counter drawers and vertical storage can help you stay organized while maintaining a clean, modern look. Another highlight is the focus on ergonomics. These designs prioritize layouts that make cooking and cleaning seamless. Imagine a U-shaped kitchen with strategically placed workstations, prep areas, the sink, and the stove are all within arm's reach, saving you time and effort. Or, consider a kitchen island that doubles as a workspace and a casual dining spot, perfect for multitasking or hosting friends. Lastly, functionality meets style in multi-purpose elements. A foldable countertop extension or a built-in coffee bar can add convenience without compromising on design. For instance, a kitchen featuring a combination of natural wood tones and stainless steel not only looks stunning but also stands up to the demands of daily use. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to Thena's channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share your favorite kitchen design idea in the comments below. Get ready to dive into a world of creativity and innovation.